Petrarca with your live Pinpoint Doppler 12 Futurecast.
Well, the snow moving in about 4 or 5 hours ahead of schedule. So far, about 1 to 3 inches of snow. Corey Pizzatoro in Cumberland and Michelle in Cumberland now checking in with 3 inches. Doppler radar shows that first batch that's overhead right now, and this will tend to weaken a little bit as far as the precipitation intensity. A bit of a lull where it kind of breaks up. However, the main storm system or the main area of precipitation is still blossoming off the New Jersey coastline right in here. And this is the real show as far as the heavy accumulations of snow. This will arrive later on this evening and during the overnight. Now, it's a fast mover, so it's out of here by later tomorrow morning. In fact, some sunshine coming up by tomorrow afternoon. But here's the deal as far as the storm timeline. Snow lasts all night long. It may let up in intensity for a few hours and really start to pick up from roughly 10 o'clock this evening till 5 o'clock in the morning. Snow ending from west to east between 8 and 10 o'clock in the morning. I think most areas by 8 a.m. should be through with any accumulating snow, with some clearing taking place during the afternoon. Snow in downtown Providence, poor visibility. Here's the State House, and you can see the wind picking up as well out of the northeast. Temperature at 28 degrees on a north-northeast wind at 15, but it will be gusting up to 30 miles per hour during the overnight. Michelle in Cumberland, a bit of a lull. She has 3 inches of snow. I know Corey Pizzatoro in Cumberland has 3 inches as well. Temperature at 29 degrees. Also 29 in North Smithfield from Jim Morrow with almost 2.5 inches and calling it moderate snow right now. So it may snow at varying intensities this evening, and then everybody getting in on some heavy snow later on this evening and during the overnight. Temperatures now in the upper 20s to low 30s. We've had some reports along the shoreline and just offshore of some rain and sleet. This will be temporary. I do expect cold air to come back, so any mixture in southern suburbs of sleet or rain will go back over to accumulating snow later on this evening. So there's that first batch right in here. But as we widen out the view, what we're seeing is a secondary storm forming. The primary one is weakening. The secondary one is taking shape offshore. That's the one that's intensifying. We know that for a couple of reasons. For one, some lightning being detected off the New Jersey coastline. So you get lightning within winter storms, and that's one tip-off that it's getting strong very rapidly. So here's the Futurecast starting at 10 o'clock tonight. The dark blue indicates heavy snow. You see whatever mixture is offshore will eventually change over to snow as well. 3 o'clock in the morning, still very heavy snow, starting to wind down early in the morning, pulling away later in the morning, some sunshine coming back in the afternoon. This is 2 o'clock in the afternoon. Temperatures in the low 30s, and then clear skies by 8 o'clock tomorrow evening. So for this evening, a little bit of sleet and rain mixing in along the south shore, light to moderate snow. By 11 o'clock, it really starts to become heavier. Overnight, very heavy snow everywhere, including the coastline. Temperatures in the upper 20s, and then it's winding down tomorrow morning. Temperatures starting off in the upper 20s, and then during the afternoon, it's back to sunshine. High temperatures between roughly 30 and 35 degrees. So for tomorrow afternoon, much better than the early morning hours. Looking at temperatures around freezing with a blend of clouds and some sunshine. It'll be dry and bright with improving weather as that storm system pulls out to sea. So here's the map, the wider view by tomorrow afternoon, showing the storm pulling away and the sunshine coming in. Precipitation type tonight, it is mostly snow for everybody, but this pink zone for a little while, a little sleet and rain mixing in and then going back over to snow. Statewide, anywhere between 7 and 12 inches of snow. So yes, some areas getting up to a foot of snow. Those amounts will be realized by 8 o'clock tomorrow morning. So far, we've had about 32 inches of snow and counting. Getting better tomorrow afternoon, not bad for Friday. A little bit of light snow Saturday evening, may pick up a quick inch or two, not a big deal. Sunday, sunshine, 29. Another storm system early next week could be ice and rain and sleet, temperatures in the 30s. So it continues all night long through about 7 o'clock tomorrow morning, and then it's gone. But from now until then, a lot of snow on the way.
Thanks, Tony.
Coming up new at 5:30 on Eyewitness News. Do you stay home from work when you're sick? Sounds like yes would be the obvious answer, but a shocking new poll reveals why most Americans would say no.
Then